We're on the Maxcom 7E scratchy corner test. Mr. Chippie is already out there, I've checked. Tango 20 on Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm on the Maxcom 7E now, and we're recording.
Roger that, this set's playing up a little bit with the cold. I mean, it's not that cold, it's showing 9 degrees, but I'm having issues.
Yeah, there you are. Anyway, that's how they are. And they don't last and they don't work as well, and the more you pay, the worse they seem to be. So, where are you? Are you at the end of the lane yet?
Yeah, I'm onto the main road now.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now going over the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Yep, roger that, sounds good. Tango 21 for Mississippi, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford over.
Roger, got you quite well, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Maxcom 7E emergency radio, and the radio's doing a full 4 watts, over.
Yep, roger, all received, sounds absolutely fine.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Time to adjust the squelch.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, got you very well at the Grayleys turn, over. Now that's our worst one, Grayleys, so when he goes over the final one, 6 miles away at Rorsby level crossing, that's always that little bit better, except when he goes over the rails where it's all bumpy.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, we're now square wheels at Grayleys level crossing, also known as Rocky level crossing, yeah.
And this time you didn't break up because you didn't go over the tracks because you're waiting for a train, no doubt. And that concludes the test, thank you. 10-10. Right, we'll go over to our base station. We're on channel 32. There's somebody on channel 31, which we normally use, probably about 25 miles away, but it was going to spoil our test. So I'll just remember to go and put the base station on channel 32.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 7E emergency transceiver into our Harris CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and as ever, thanks for watching.